We are only a 6-hour drive from our place in New Jersey where my next travel nursing assignment is. We just arrived here at Niagara Falls and I cannot wait to see it.
It's gonna be a rainy day.
Rainy?
Like, yeah, we're gonna get wet.
Oh, yeah. We're smack down in the middle of October, so the fall leaves have changed and I'm so glad we came around this time. It's a little bit chilly, not too bad, but wow. We made it to the Canadian side. Definitely recommend if you're able to, because you get like an upfront view of the falls. It's so powerful that the mist is coming out from it. That one too, a little bit. If you only stayed on the New York side, you don't even get a good view of the horseshoe. So we can't tell if it's raining or if we feel the mist from the waterfall. We're coming up right by the horseshoe falls right now. Can confirm that the rain was just a mist, so it's clear now. There's a little shopping we might do later, but we're here at the tip of the falls. It's amazing. We're about to go on that later today. We might be regretting it. It looks so cold and windy. Hi. So we got some maple syrup, of course, and some maple vinaigrette. Nice little shop. There's everything you could think of in there. But we're walking back the other way. Maybe gonna check out the park on the other side. Oh, it's misting. Gotta push you guys up for a little bit. Imagine ziplining at Niagara Falls. Amazing. Here they go. Why is he so spread out? The Rainbow Bridge costs dollars, like actual dollar bills. You have to exchange your money for coins. I would have never known that.
But it does take either a United States dollar or a Canadian dollar.
Yeah, but
there's no way to use like a card or anything that we saw.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm so glad we had money because we would have been
Bring cash.
out of luck. I'm getting ready for our Maid of the Mist excursion. Put my hair up. Sam put on a thick jacket. I'm so jealous. They're gonna give us a poncho. Hopefully we don't get too wet because it is chilly out here right now. Probably like 50s. Gave us the postcards. We're about to board. Here we go! Wait, that's not exactly how it went.